You searched how to buy shares of Rai Way S.p.A, and this short guide will walk you through the steps. Rai Way operates TV and radio transmission infrastructure and is listed on CBOE EU under the ticker RWAY.MI. This is educational content, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to make purchases. Use the platform search box and type the ticker RWAY.MI to find the exact listing. Make sure you choose the result labeled Rai Way S.p.A on CBOE EU to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent movements. Confirm the name Rai Way S.p.A and ticker RWAY.MI to ensure this is the correct stock before proceeding. Tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it accepts the order. Once the order is filled, you will see the position in your portfolio for tracking. A soft CTA. The link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform as an example, and this is an educational walkthrough.